Hello and good afternoon. This is River Antoine Estate. My name is Camille Richards, and today we wanted to take everybody on a beautiful tour of River Antoine Estate, which has been in existence since 1785. What we wanted to do is have this tour and introduce people into the world of the River Antoine Estate and how rum is actually made. It's made with 2 pot stills, distilled with direct fire, exactly how it was made since then, and it's made by a beautiful, very big water wheel.